Tesla Semi-Exec drops by factory build-out site with update. Tesla Semi-Program Senior Manager Dan Priestley recently shared a short update on the Class 8 all-electric trucks production facility near Giga Nevada. While the speed of the semi-factory is not at the pace of larger projects like Giga Shanghai, the upcoming facility is taking shape. Priestley shared his update on social media platform X. As per the executive, he dropped by the semi-factory's site to see its progress. Priestley's photo featured several production semi-units, including one without an air deflector on its roof. The Tesla semi-executive likely saw some substantial progress during his trip to the factory's build-out site. Some of this progress was highlighted in a video posted by longtime Tesla semi-advocate Heinrich Zane on X, who captured some aerial footage of the facility's construction area on Friday afternoon, September 6, 2024. As per the Tesla Semi-Watcher, several panels have been installed on the far northwest corner of the facility. More steel beams have also been set up nearby. Inside the facility's covered area, some concrete has been poured to create a floor. Overall, the initial parts of the semi-factory are starting to look like an actual building. Tesla Semi-Factory, BZI System Innovation September 6, 2024. Tesla partners with BZI Building Zone Industries to use a new, state-of-the-art commercial building system. Interestingly enough, the footage provided by the Semi-Watcher suggests that Tesla has tapped the services of BZI, a steel fabrication company from Utah, for the semi-factory's build-out. BZI's official website indicates that it specializes in large-scale steel construction projects. It is also quite innovative in its own right, as could be seen in the recent aerial video of the Tesla semi-factory. BZI seems to be using its panel table, a transportable, self-contained table system, its Mesmaster, a telehandler attachment that securely holds an assembly, and its Skybrace, a rigid brace system that allows a structure to be built without extensive temporal cable X bracing at the Tesla semi-facility. Needless to say, the construction of the Tesla semi-factory is getting more interesting. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.